Hi all, welcome back to Cloud DevOps with Lokesh. So we have seen lots of stuff. So we have learned Python concepts. So and last class we have discussed about list in previous one, and that made two parts actually. So today we are going to discuss about tuple. Some people will call tuple. Okay, so these data types also we have seen. So this list all list and with different methods we have seen. So these are all types of list actually. So we have seen that, and so we are going to discuss about tuple. Okay, so next collection data type we look at tuple. Let's start learning about this. Okay, tuple are very much like list, except the data inside the tuple will not change. Okay, and the order the data is in will not change. So let's create a tuple, and we can do that with a constructor. So we'll type tuple in parenthesis, and then we need parenthesis again instead of this, and I'll just put some random values. Okay, much like it should look like almost similar to list. Okay, so if you can see this, try to understand the concept of tuple first using this. Okay, so let's try to do this once. Check here. So yep, I think one sec. Variables, I have to go very long. Okay, that's fine. Let me try to again open this. Tuples, yes, this is the concept. All right, this is the one. Okay, so let me try to open this. Again, it is going back. All right, let me go back to the here. Yes, tuple. All right. Okay, so if you can see here, what is a tuple in Python? Tuples are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Okay, so in one variable you can store multiple values, same like list. Tuple is one for built-in data types in Python. It is used to store collection of data. The other, it is to use for collection of data. Okay, like list set to dictionary, all the different qualities and usage. But what is the difference between list and tuple? The change is the different main difference is that is changeable, this is unchangeable. That is what difference. Okay, tuples are written with the round brackets. List we will show it, we will indicate that using square brackets. Okay, so tuple items are ordered, unchangeable, and allow duplicate values. Okay, tuple items are indexed Okay, something like this you can see. And so index values, we can use index also for tuple, right, like this. And this is ordered. So when we say the tuples are ordered, it means that the items have defined order, and that order will not change. Okay, tuples are unchangeable, so which means that we cannot change, we cannot add, we cannot remove items after the tuple has been created. Compared to list, it's little opposite. Okay, this will allow duplicate values. Since tuple are indexed, they can have items with the same value. Those who are new for the Python tuple, better you can read this so you can easily understand for beginners. Okay, right. Okay, so what is a tuple in Python? A tuple in a collection of data types in Python, which means so it is ordered, it is mutable, and allow duplicates, and it can store multiple data types. So these are all. So it is ordered means it is ordered, maintains the order, proper order. It should we should maintain. Mutable and immutable. What is the meaning of mutable? So list is a mutable, right? If list is mutable means we can modify it, we can add it, we can remove it. We have done that, right? So immutable means once if tuple is created, you cannot be modified. That is so these that is a difference between list and tuple. So it will allows duplicates, can store multiple data types. Okay. Tuples are similar to list, but they cannot be changed once it's created. Once if it is created, it cannot be changed. That is a difference. Okay. All right. So why this tuple? So simple, right? What is tuple? The simple question will be there for you if you want to learn Python. So tuple. So first thing you will get a question like why should we learn? What is tuple? First question. Why should we learn? Why we need to use tuple? Performance very faster than list because they are immutable, no change. That's why it is a fast. Memory efficient, uses less memory than list. Immutable, prevents accidental modifications. Okay, which means to avoid such cases, if anything, for example, if you created some tuple, okay, so then there is an advantage, there is no need any modifications. So for that cases you can use tuple. Okay, hashable can be used dictionary keys or in sets unlike list. Okay, it can be used dictionary keys in sets or in sets. Okay, next safer data handling, ensure data integrity. Okay, next how to create a tuple, different types with integers, mixed data types. Okay, with a single element, nested tuple. So these already we have tried with the list, right? Same things we'll try with the tuple also. Okay, all right, let's move. Just open VS Code. I will try to comment this list previous one. Okay, now the topic, today's topic is tuple. This is the one. Okay, whatever executed files will be there, that executable list. I'm going to save and I'll keep with me. So this file entire whatever we exercise we have done, that will be saved. And also I want to make it separate file. So I just want to keep here separate file tuple. Okay, dot py, enter. Right, that's it. Good. All right, now so let us take this open. So try to create number, which means integer. Create a tuple with integer. All right, so this is a numbers I have taken 1 2 3 4 5. Earlier I used to use brackets, which means square brackets. Now I am using this bracket. All right, tuple with the mixed data types. This example we'll see it later. First of all, try to print this. Print, yes, print it. What I have to print? Numbers. That's it. All right, save it and try to run it. All right, that's great. Yeah, so using numbers also we can print it. Again, let's try with this. So I want to take this also because this will refer title. Yep, that sounds good. And would like to print instead of here this mixed, this is the variable, and save this and run it. Yep, you got it right. See this 10 integer, this is string, okay, float, boolean, all those things. All right, this is tuple with a single element. Okay, let's try with it. Okay, print single element and save this and try to run it. Yep, so I just want to remove this comma first with the single element. Let's see and try to run. Yep, it's good, right? We can keep whatever. Okay, he said comma is necessary. I also tried with the comma, but without comma also I tried. You see this? This is without comma and this is with comma. All right. Nested tuple. This is nested tuple. What is a nested? I already explained in the Python list related to nested. Nested in the sense file inside a file, which is nested file. Tuple means tuple inside a tuple. This is a tuple separated by comma. This is a tuple. This is a tuple, which means this is one tuple. Inside one tuple, we have 1 2 3 tuples are there. That is the reason it is nested tuple. You understood? Hope you got. Next, print. All right, print in the nested tuple. Save it. All right, enter it. Oh yeah, we can do it. All right. Okay, that's fine. So we can also try all these things, right? This is output, the same output we got. That sounds looks fine. And accessing tuple elements. Okay. For example, if I take this is fruit. This is a fruit. Let me take this example. I took fruits variable. Inside this variable I kept the values are p apple, banana, cherry. These are all string values. Okay, I'm trying to print it. Okay, fruit, see this print, I am printing with the index number. Okay, what is index number here? If somebody who doesn't watch my previous lesson, list part 1, try to keep focus on here with proper. Okay, index, index value 0 start. For positive values this is 1, this is 2. For negative it is -1, -2 and -3. Got it? For example, if you are trying to call this string in print, okay, fruits, you are calling fruits variable with index number 0, which means apple will be the answer. Okay, next you are calling -1, which means cherry. Okay, so -1 will start left, positive numbers will start from left to right. This is right to left. Understood? Print fruits. Okay, 1. Okay, like this. Okay, which means 1 means index values 1 is banana, and next one is, which means 1, 2, remaining all values. It will start, which means it will start from 1. What are those? Banana and cherry. Got it? So one, from 1 to remaining values, you are not specified anything. That's why it will take what are the values are there after the banana. So it will consider. Hope you got it. That's great. Next. So let me try to print this. Whatever I explained, the answer would be the same. The first one is apple, the second one is cherry, and third one is banana and cherry, because you mentioned here from one index to all. So it will start, it will print from 1. So remaining what? 1, banana and cherry only we have. So for example, I will keep here mango. Excuse me, mango, mango. Where is n? Gone. Save it, print it. So you got mango too, because you started from 1. Again, I'll try to take this example, copy, shift alt and down arrow. No need to copy, just simple you need to use keys. I want to mention here -1. It will start from -1. You see, this is, you see this here. This is -1, -2, -3, -4. These are all values should be printed here. Is it so? Yes. Let me try. You see here, banana has been printed, cherry, mango. No. -1 only printed here. Okay, you should mention here, if you want this all -1 should be started from mango. Okay, left values you want to print, you need to mention here -1 is like this. I'll show you. Okay, here you need to keep -1 here. See, you need to mention here nothing. So let me save this and try. You see here, you got all. From -1, mango, cherry, banana, apple. Apple, banana, cherry printed. Understood? Alright. So let's try to print others. Okay, let me take shift alt down arrow. I will take this. So now I would like to mention here 1 and 2. Let's see what we'll get. Okay. So next here I will mention 1, 2, -1. I will mention here like this. Next, here I will mention 1, -1. Let's see, I'm just giving randomly. Okay, I'm just checking it. And here 0, -1. Let's see. Enter. You see this? um so from last we'll see this one, print fruits 0 2 minus 1. It's stating, see this one, okay, it is 0 2 minus 1, which means what is 0 here? 0 1 2 3. So again I'll tell you minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and minus 4. You got it? So here if I mention 0 to minus 1 means apple mentioned, banana, cherry. Why? Because we mentioned here 0 to minus 1 means 0 to here, minus 1 will not, till minus 1, which means apple, banana, cherry. Apple, banana, cherry. Got it? The next one. You see this, okay? Print a fruit 1 2 minus 1. This is 1 and this is minus 1, which means will banana, cherry. Got it? Next one, this one. You see this, again same, that is also same, and this, yes, this one, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, this one you see. Okay, let me try again. 1 2 3 4 5. Let's see this. Yeah, you see this. Okay, so here you mentioned till minus 1 means minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. Okay, means these values, banana, apple, cherry, till here. Okay, so like this. So we can call index using index values in tuple like this. Okay, and again, so these are all examples we have seen. So this is tuple packing and unpacking. Okay, let's see how we have to pack and unpack the values using tuple. Okay, let me try to paste here. So this is different values. See, person is a variable, John is a name that is in string, this is a number, and this is also string. All right, so here, so this is related to packing. I will also take here and try to print, try to print. What is a print? What I have to print? Person. Save it, enter. John 30 and engineer. That's okay. And we have to print unpacked values. Extracting the values. Okay. Save here. Name, age, profession. This is name, this is age, this is profession. Okay. All right. So let's print name, print age, print profession. So we should get like John 30 and engineer separately. And now here you mentioned here in this string only. John means it will consider string. It is considered string. This one also engineer, and this is a numerical value, right? So you mentioned here, but you mentioned here name separated, age, profession you mentioned, and equal to profession. You these three values you are specifying here with the person. Okay, print name, print age, print profession. You see, John 30 engineer. So it is printing separated, which means it is considering. It is not taking entire values. Initially, what happened? Packing, it is taken all the values. In packing itself, it has taken all the values here. But if you print here, like print separate name, print age, print profession, it has taken different i- separated values printed, because so we stated here name, age, profession equal to person. It is taking individual values like this. This is actually unpacking in tuple. Okay, let's try again. Next one is tuple operations. Okay, this is concatenation and repetition. A equal to 1 2 3, B equal to 4 5 6, A plus B you have done, and A into 2. A multiply with 2. A plus B means 1 2 3 4 5 6 will print 100%. And next A multiply with 2 means what is the A? 1 2 3. Okay, 2 means, which means 2 times it will repeat 1 2 3 1 2 3. Yes, that's one. Next, membership and testing. Fruits equal to apple, banana, and cherry. Print banana in fruits. Okay. So, which means this is, it will test what type. Type it will check. Okay. Banana is there in fruits or not? Yes. So, it is true. So, grape is there in fruits or not? No, right? Grape is not there here. So, it will get true. No. Grape is not in fruits. Yes, it is not in fruits. That's why it is true. For example, if you take print grape in fruits means it will, you will get false, like that. Okay, next tuple methods. What are the methods? See here, count and index. Index you know already. So in list I clearly explained in the part 1, list part 1 related to index. Okay. So count means returns the number of times x appears. Okay. Index x means it returns the first index of x. Okay, so you just try to understand this. For example, if you see underneath of this numbers of 1 2 3 4 4 2 5 2, some numbers has given, these numbers are in this variable. Okay, now you are using count is a method, so you are using here count method 2. Okay, see, what does it mean? 2. How many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3. It is counting. 1, 2, 3. You will get answer 3. Again here number index of 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So here index of first occurrence of 4. How many? 1, 2, 3. So let's give a try first. So this is methods, tuple methods. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me try to, oh yeah, I will try to comment this, and I'll also try to comment this, because this will disturb, because we are also using the same fruits, right? So that's why you should not confuse. So let me try to clear this also, control L, and this excuse me, control C and control L, and I want to paste here. Okay, so this is title, you can title it tuple methods. All right. Oh yeah, tuple methods, numbers 1 2 3 4 5 4 2 5 2, something you have given. In this print number count 2, how many numbers are there? You just, it will count 1 2 3 times, you will get, right? Enter this, print this, you see this 3. Okay, index number 4. Okay, index of first occurrence of 4. 1 2 3, 1 1 2 3 4. Okay, okay, first occurrence of 4 means initial first four numbers it will give. Index of first occurrence of 4 means numbers index 4 means 4 before. How many? 3 numbers are there. Okay, let me try to give other. Shift alt to down arrow. I want to give here 2. Save this. See here 1 means it is trying to calculate first occurrence of 2 means index first occurrence of 2 means, so it is calculating, it is taking first 2 number, it is avoiding remaining all. Okay, which means 1. Okay, you got it 1. Again I'll try to use down arrow and I want to keep here 5 instead of 2. I want to keep 5, then it will calculate 2. Let's see. Save this and run it. Yeah, first occurrence of 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, got it, very good. So which means it is calculating 1 2 3 4 5, right? 5 numbers are there, first numbers before 5. You understood? And I want to remove the numbers, I will give different numbers. 10, 55, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and 5 here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, 70, 80, 90. I've just mentioned all these values. So this is a tuple. Okay, so now let's see one by one. Okay, so here you see this. Now what is the count of, okay, count of 2? No, I just will keep here 10. So now it will count the 10 number. Okay, 1. How many times? 2. So it will, you will get answer 2 is 2 will be. Okay, enter. So you got 2. So it is counting 10 number how many times it is existed, like that. Okay, let me try to comment this and I'll try to uncomment this. Save this. Okay, so now I'll try to count index value of let me try to use this. Okay, 5. Okay, I want to mention here 5. Let's see. Save this and try to. So now if I use this means first occurrence value of this, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, these values should be print. Let's see. Yeah, you got it right. Total how many? 8. How many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Next I want to again do that. 40. I'll mention 40 for suppose. I will try to comment this and I will uncomment the below one. Okay. Yep. Excuse me. Yep. Save this and I'll try to run this. See here 12, which means 40. 40 means it will count this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. First occurrence value before 40. You are mentioning here before 40 how many numbers are there, which means it is counting before 40 numbers. Okay, so I want to mention here, so again I will mention here 10. No, 10 is gone, right? Already done. So then I will mention here okay, yep, I will mention here 1. Save. Okay, comment it and uncomment this. Save this and try to this. See 4 we got, which means before 1 how many? 1 2 3 4. So first occurrence value of this value it will count like this. Okay, all right, that's good. So which means tuple methods. Differences between list and tuple. So you see here, I already mentioned this before start this exercises. So here lists are there. This is tuple related description. Yeah, mentioned. You right. Features. Mutability. Mute means mutable, immutable. Move. For example, move. Move means changing one object from one place to other place. Mute, mutable, and try to compare like this. Okay, mutable means change. List is mutable. It means changed. It can be changed. You can be added, delete, modify, whatever you do, you can do. But tuple you cannot change. That is the difference. So you'll get interview questions like this. Performance. List is slower, tuple is faster. Memory usage. List is more, tuple is less. Use case. When data need modification, you'll use list. When data should remain constant, so tuple. This is really very good point. These 2 points are very important. This list and tuple difference. You understood? When data need modification, you'll use list. When data should not remain constant value you need to mention, you can use tuple. That's it, right? That's great. Let's move. All right. So uses and applications of tuple. Okay. So data integrity and read only data. So since tuple are immutable, they are ideal for storing data that should not change. Exactly. For example, days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So these should not be changed in a week. Monday you can't replace with a Tuesday, right? No, right? Those are all standard. So at that places you need to use a tuple. Okay. So tuples are hashable and it can be used keys in dictionaries. Okay, in dictionaries also we can see this. Okay. So whenever we get dictionaries a topic at the time we'll discuss about this. All right. Uses and applications tuple. Again, other one is so this returning multiple values from the function. Okay. Get person return Alice 28 doctor, which means her name is Alice, her age is 28, and she is a doctor. Person get. Okay. Print person. You are going to print a person, right? Alice 28 doctor. You will get this output. So like this. Using tuple for efficient iteration. Tuples are faster than list, making them useful in list loops. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Print item. So loop kind of for loop. If you so you can use in loops also, right? So Python tuple. So we'll try to do some one exercise. Mm, so let's give a try with it. Let me comment this now. I will try to. So here I can say another tuple and just to set this equal to one set of parentheses and I put in some random numbers. I will mention here another tuple. One second. Tuple. Another tuple equal to 1 comma 4 comma 2 comma 8. So I have given this is also a tuple and we can verify that. So let's go ahead and print this once. Let me try to use print, but mm, one second. First of all, I just would like to mention I'll give another tuple. One second. Here, my tuple equal to tuple. Okay, values. You should mention values. Um, so here I will mention so different values. Okay. Hello, Kesh. Separate this tuple with a different tuple. My age 99, true. Excuse me. True. True. I'll keep like this. Okay, no need gaps. Let me keep like this. So this is one thing. My tuple mentioned tuple some name with age and it is type. Okay, so I'll mention like this. Okay, so another tuple I mentioned 1428 something different numbers, and I want to print here my tuple. Okay, so what will get answer? So how what can you will be expect? Let me try to run this. See here, syntax error. You understood? Right. So I want to comment this because it should not interrupt us. Okay. So again, I want to print type my tuple. Right. So this I want to mention. Okay. Tuple I mentioned, age I mentioned, whether it is true or not, and another tuple I mentioned, and I want to try to print this and typo. I will try to print a type, and I want to print again, print type this one also, another tuple. Okay, anoth, this one also. Okay, oh sorry, excuse me. Again, I want to enter and save it. So let me try to run this. What is this? My tuple. Okay. Tuple. Okay, tuple one. This is actually name. This is age, and this is true. Another tuple. One, two, one, four, some numbers, and this print my tuple. Print type you mentioned. Okay, what was the mistake here? Okay. Okay, what is it is getting? See location app data or something. Session tuple.py. Invalid syntax. Okay, I'll try to remove this then. Save this and try again. Oh, that sounds great. Looks like the front issue. Alright, let me try to use our boss. Alright, so your code is correct and will run without errors. However, these are an unnecessary use of double parentheses. Oh, I said right. Yeah, yeah. Okay, that's fine. Okay, okay. Use a list inside a tuple. Okay, this is a tuple and this is a list, which means list inside a tuple. Okay, got it, got it. Understood. All right. Let me save this and try to run this. Again, issue, what was the issue? All right, so here I'm going to copy this. Copy this and try to paste here. Looks like you are trying to run Python script from Windows command. Okay, PowerShell. All right, got it. So that was the issue. I understood. I understood. No problem at all. So let me try to close this and I'll try to open. Okay, this there is some issue with this file. This path difference is there. Okay, so exit. Okay, now it will execute. Control L. Try to run this. Yeah, you got it right. Yep. Class. You see this man. Print type is tuple, and this also it is a type is tuple. And I want to use this without this. I want to use without a list. Okay. So what I should do is I will try to copy. Ooh, okay, I want to try to copy this and I want to paste here and I want to mention instead of this I want to mention here other bracket open and the stay close and save this and try to comment this and save this and run it. Hey, come on, this is also working. Okay, tuple, this is a type is tuple. Great, that sounds good. No, it looks good. All right. Again, so let me do one thing. It has parentheses instead of brackets. Then you see both of them tuples we created. When we check the type, do indeed say tuple, right? Now most of what we have already learned about list also applies to tuple. But we have to keep in mind that tuples cannot be changed. Okay. However, if we need to do something with the tuple, we can get a creative and copy it. Let's look at it how to do that. Okay. So let's do one thing. Let me try to comment this and here new list NUW new list list equal to list my tuple. Oh yeah, I commented this right. My tuple tuple. That's okay. I will open that. My tuple. I will not. Okay, I will keep like this, and that's fine. And now, yep. First of all, I will create a variable here called new list. Yep, and I'm going to set it equal to the list construct. Okay, I'm going to set it equal to the list constructor and I'm going to pass in my tuple. So this will create a new list. Okay, right? So then I'm going to say new list. So I will append new value and I will just add to the value some value. Okay, so let me try to do one thing. New list new list dot append. What is append? Something to be added to your a list. Lokesh 99 true is there, right? So I'm going to add other name is okay, Mahesh. He is a good man. That's why I used this name. He's an intelligent fellow. Okay, that's why I mentioned it, Mahesh. And I want to save this. So now after that, now let's go ahead and create a new tuple and we'll set this equal to the tuple constructor. We'll pass that in new list. Okay, understood? Let me try to do new tuple, new tuple tuple, all right, equal to, sorry, excuse me, and tuple new list, newlist. Yep, this one. Okay, so now when I print new tuple, we will have a new tuple with the value Mahesh added to original tuple. My tuple will not have changed, but will have a new tuple that did added the value that we needed to add that. So now let's go and run this code. Let's save this first. Save it. Yeah, what happened? What happened to this? I don't understand. What happened to this? Oh, no printer. Okay, that's fine. I understood. So let me try to check here. Print my tuple. I will reopen this. Okay, I leave because it is not yet open. That's right. So it should be opened. All right. And let me open this also. All right. And this also I will keep open this my tuple, and I will try to open this. I want to keep this also. It will not disturb our code, right? No problem. That's fine. All right. Let me try to run now. Okay, you got this. You got this. You got this. But there is no any progress. Let me find the issue. New list equal to list my tuple. New list dot append Mahesh. Okay, do I need to use this single quote? That's fine. New tuple equal to tuple new list. I'm trying to add, okay, it will not get any results because of print. Where is the print here? You need to print the new list because we have added, right? We appended, but where it is appended? Here in new list only it should be added here somewhere, right? So if you want to try to add here, first of all you should print it, save it, done it. You see this? Mahesh added, correct? Got it, got it. You see this? Understood? See guys, one observation from this here in this example, you see here, try to run this. Guys, you see here two different types of tuples are there. This is a tuple. This is a tuple inside a list. But Mahesh added only for one. See, Lokesh 99 true is there. This print has been there. Okay, but here whatever Mahesh append using append, I added Mahesh to this list, but not here. Which means tuple inside list added using append, but it's not added in this tuple. Got it? Hope you understood. Okay, I'll just call the one. I'll just call first one, next two, next like that. Hey, something like that, and let's call one by one. I want to call this. Let's call here like this. One, comma, two, comma, hey, something like this, equal to another tuple, something like this. Okay, I'll just call first of all, first one. I'll just call first one, two, hey. Okay, but I'm going to start it with an asterisk with here. Asterisk means this. Okay, I'm going to start with asterisk, and you will see why. I will just I will just set this equal to another tuple, but we are unpacking. You can see we are putting values into these variable names. So now I'm going to print each variable name. So I'll print 1, print 2 and print hey. Let's see what would be the answer might be. Print unpacking, right? Print 1, print what is that? 2, two, 2. Okay, print hey. See, let me try to save this. Okay, okay, I'm good. Why? Oh, that's the issue, man. Be careful with the capital letters. Okay, so now it's fine. So you are using here a capital letter earlier, and you are trying to here call with the small letter. So it doesn't accept. Python does not accept this. You understood? Again, here try to run this. See here, print 1, you got 1. Okay, print 2. Okay, print 2. 4, you got this answer. I mean output. Print hey, hey. Okay, 2 comma 8. 2, 2 is this one, and 4 into 2, 8. So let me try to change this hash struct. I'll remove this. Variable variable one holds the number one variable 1 holds the number 1, variable 2 holds the number 4, and hey holds the remaining values. And here notice they are unpacked in a list, but it does not have to be the list one either. So we can remove the asterisk from here and try to instead it put in front of 2. Shift to save it and try to run it. You see here. You see here. Okay. Now let's go ahead and save this and try to run. We have already ran. So you will notice that we'll get values inside the first variable, and the value 8 is inside of hey, but everything between goes to variable 2, and it's a list, so it has the values inside of a list. Okay, a final note about list and tuples in VS Code, and it is that we can check that methods are available in a list or tuple just using dot notation. So we'll see that later. First of all, you try to understand this. So 1, you got it right. Clearly 1, it got printed. But if you mention here star, okay, you got 2 list. What is that? 4 and 2. 4 and 2. Right? So earlier 2 into 8. 2, 8. You got. Hey. Here is 4. Because 2 into 2, 4. Next to 2 into 4, 8. So you mentioned here star here. So 1 into 2, 2 into 2, 4. Right? So next one is 2 into 1, 2. Next one is 8. You see here. Right? 4 into 2. 4 into 2, 8. 4 multiply with 2. 8. Understood? See here. I'll show you here. See here. Again, I'll try to explain here. Print 1, 1. Print 2, 4, 2. Right? Print hey. Hey means it is printing this value. You understood? You understood now clearly, right? Hashtag taken. Hashtag taken for 2 means 4 and 2 is taking, which means it is considered this list. 1, 4, 2 and 8. This will print separately. Okay. So if you keep hey star means it is considering this list. Understood? Like that. You understood? Yep. Okay, that's fine. So let's try with data dot dot. Okay, print data dot. Save this. Mm, how? Let's try with it, and I will pull in the data list that I had earlier. Type a dot, a period, and then we see list of all the different methods that we can call our list. That is called as data dot. That is the one way to check methods are available. Okay, I want to print here. So let me I think somewhere I missed it. Let me comment this. Print another tuple dot count function, right? Okay, save it. Oh, okay, fine. That's fine. That's fine. No problem. Okay. So let's put in the name of our tuple. So we had another tuple, and once again I have to delete the period. Type it again. So you can see that tuple only have two methods, count or index. Okay. So you understood? Tuple have only two methods. One is count or index. So let's call count, and we needed to put the parenthesis after the call action. We have already seen this actually earlier. So and it needs something passed to one parameter and what or an argument, if you will. What I'm going to pass is our other tuple holds numbers. So we look up here. So we put in the number 1428. 1428, this number. Okay, and put the numbers into two more times. Let me try again here. 1428 comma 2 comma 2. I'll put two more numbers here, 2 and 2. I'll put here like this. Okay, this is another tuple. Okay, oh, fine. Print me, this is fine. Print my tuple, another tuple, and list. Okay, fine. And some Mahesh added, that's fine. Print, this is also fine, and this is also fine. One two two, hey, that's fine. Count to, I'll remove this. Count. I will here, I will mention I want to count the second one. I will count. I want to try to mention here count to two. How many? One two three. So does it get three? Yeah, you got it right. Three. It is counting numbers one, two, three. Three. This two has printed three times. One, two, three. So that's why you got answer three, which means output. All right. So actually counting how many occurrences of the number two are inside another tuple. This is all about tuple. So I hope I have covered everything related to tuple. So this is all about tuple. Okay. So yeah. So tuple versus list we have seen. So tuple summary I will let you know. Tuples are mutable, ordered collections that allows duplicates. They are faster than list. Okay, and use list memory in then list. Tuple inside list also we can use. Tuples are ideal for fixed data like configuration settings and dictionary keys. Tuple methods includes count and index only. Two methods only we can use, and support operations like slicing, concatenation, and iterations. So this can be useful. So this is all about Python tuples. Okay, so next class we will see about dictionaries, and after that sets. Okay, okay, thanks for joining. Okay, please kindly share and subscribe my channel. If you do like it, kindly hit a like button so it will reach more people, then someone will be beneficial. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining. Take care. Bye bye.